In front of me is POCO M8, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Display and Brightness. Now scroll again and this time click on Refresh Rate. Finally, you can tap on Default or select Custom and click on Refresh Rate below it to pick one of those options. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, screen refresh rate of my POCO has changed. Personally, I never recommend to leave it on the highest one because it may cause your device to heat up and your battery would drain much faster. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!